SOLIDWORKS Inspection is a simple-to-use, easy-to-learn quality control solution that helps streamline the creation of inspection documentation. With a few simple clicks, SOLIDWORKS Inspection quickly recognizes and extracts part numbers, names, revisions, notes, and other critical information directly from SOLIDWORKS drawings. Quickly set the extraction settings to include critical inspection dimensions or other basic and reference measurements marked by the designer. Once the inspection information is collected, simply confirm or modify the data, and SOLIDWORKS Inspection automatically adds balloon callouts to your single or multi-page inspection drawings. Editing or establishing key dimensions is a snap. If you make changes, SOLIDWORKS Inspection seamlessly updates the balloons, saving you valuable time and effort. SOLIDWORKS Inspection also exports first article inspection or customized reports to meet your needs. For customers who need added flexibility working with PDFs, TIFFs, or with scanned documents from other CAD applications, the SOLIDWORKS Inspection standalone application is also included. Advanced Optical Character Recognition, OCR, seamlessly extracts critical information from embedded attributes. Simply select the object and SOLIDWORKS Inspection intelligently comprehends nominal dimensions, tolerances, GD&T, welds, and surface finish information directly from printed dimensions. As ballooned drawings become more complex, SOLIDWORKS Inspection streamlines the task of locating tagged characteristics. Entering inspection results can often be a time-consuming task. SOLIDWORKS Inspection simplifies the entry of test results and color codes the information for immediate comparison. For customers who use digital calipers or need to import coordinate measuring machine (CMM) results, SOLIDWORKS Inspection Professional automates the importing of measurement data directly into inspection reports, streamlining the processes and increasing control over the creation of high-quality parts.